Ford, the brand that drove the world. Dig Talk. Music plus logo animation. Hey everyone. Welcome back to Dig Talk, where we dig deep into the machines, minds, and moments that shaped our world. Today's topic: one name, four letters, and over a century of motion. Ford. How it all started. Host. Let's rewind to 1903. A man named Henry Ford started the Ford Motor Company in Detroit, Michigan, with a bold idea: cars for everyone, not just the rich. And in 1908, the world met the Model T, affordable, simple, and reliable. It changed history. Suddenly, everyday people could drive. Then came the genius move, the moving assembly line. It cut production time from 12 hours to just 90 minutes. That's how Ford made millions of cars and a million dreams come true. Ford's impact on the world. Host. Ford didn't just build cars, it built America's middle class. By paying workers better wages, Ford gave people the power to buy the very cars they made. It revolutionized industry, labor, and personal freedom. Roads expanded, cities sprawled. Weekend getaways? Think Ford, Scene 3. Famous Ford cars. Let's take a joyride through some iconic Fords. Model T, the original legend. Ford Mustang, launched in 1964. It's a symbol of speed, power, and style. F to 150, America's best-selling truck for over 40 years. Ford GTA supercar that beat Ferrari at Le Mans in 1966. Ford Explorer, the SUV that defined a generation. Each car tells a story of innovation and adventure. Ford today and the future. Today, Ford is charging ahead literally. They've launched electric vehicles like the Mustang Mach-E and the all-electric F-150 Lightning, and guess what? Ford's also diving into self-driving tech, mobility services, and even robotic deliveries. From gas engines to green energy, Ford's still leading the ride. Scene 5, Dig wrap up. From building the first affordable car to racing into the future with EVs and SI Ford isn't just a company. It's a symbol of progress, power, and people. So the next time you see that iconic blue oval, remember you're looking at over a century of innovation on wheels. Thanks for riding along with us on Dig Talk. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more episodes where we dig deep into the past, present, and future. Until next time, stay curious, stay rolling. Outro music plus end screen.